She's almost 6 months old and she loves her carrots and oatmeal. Sometimes if I'm a little bit slow, she might start kicking. You love that. That's really good. Isn't that good, Lucy? Okay, I'm going to get another spoonful here, and let's see if those feet start kicking if I'm a little bit slow. That's good. She loves it. Goodness sakes. Let me try another spoonful here. Let me try another one. Lucy, want more? Lucy, want more? She sure does, huh? Is that good, Lucy? Is that good? Why don't you holler if you want some more? Okay. Would you like more? That's good, huh, Lucy? Isn't that so good? Oh, wow. You'd like some more? Would you like some more? Oh, you're going to feed it yourself? Oh, okay. Let's see what you do with that. Oh, that's good, Lucy. Oh, you got it on your little eyelash. I think I better feed you. Let's get it off your eyelash there. Here's a nice big bite. Oh, you'll love that. More? Oh, goodness, Lucy. That's so good. Let's see if you kick your feet for it. Let's see if you kick your feet. Oh, that was the reaction we get when we're too slow. She helps me feed.